How to use TikTok Live Studio. So this is a really brief video for you. So to add a backdrop or a layout for your live, you can go ahead and select it from Add Scene, where you will get three options of General, Chat and Blank. So you can go ahead and tap on it. Now to add a video source, just go ahead and tap on General and then tap on Add Source. From here, you will get multiple options such as Game capture. If you're a gamer, you can easily stream your game right here. You can go ahead and cast your Android or your iPhone. You can add a live link to your own live as well. And there are also a lot of things that you can do from right here. Just go ahead and tap on Add Source button in your TikTok Live Studio and you will know to figure it out more. Now at the top you will see there is a landscape mode. If you want to switch it to portrait, you can do that just by tapping on it. And then in your right hand side you will see your latest status of your live, where it will also notify you number of engagement, number of audiences and more. So this is a perfect studio where you can go ahead and display your work and also track your audiences. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.